Hi guys, this is LiveGlam XO and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you for all the support that I've been getting ever since I posted my first ever YouTube video. I honestly didn't think I was going to be getting this many views or subscribers. So for today's video, I did say that we are going to be doing a review / tutorial on Let's Do Makeup Shadow Me palette with LiveGlam, and I wanted to focus more on the packaging and everything. That's why I already have the basic foundation and lipstick and eyebrows already done, just so we go straight into the palette. Okay, so now this is the actual packaging that it comes in. It's just like a regular box, and when you open it, it just goes open like this. Now as you open it, here's what you will see. And then this is actually the company LiveGlam sells this. It's like a monthly subscription, so every month you do get a new palette, but you do have the option of doing a one-time purchase, which is a little bit more expensive because I believe her palette, if you are subscribed to the monthly subscription, it's $19.99, and if it was a one-time purchase, it was $27.99. You do take this little, like, it's kind of like a little paper, just so I guess the palette doesn't break. So you take this off, and inside you have the actual palette, and you do have this little picture of her. And once you get this one, it's just a picture that she has with her own palette here. And then in the back it has information more about the shades, and then she does leave a little message for people who purchase the palette. And same with more information with this is mainly more like LiveGlam information here. You can see here that it's like the cherry blossom that she likes. So once you take out the sleeve here, the actual palette, same thing as the front of this one. So now you're able to see all the shades here. Now she does have I'm gonna go over the whole names and everything. So this one is Angel Baby, Wrong O, Christina, What Do You Mean, George, Kangaroo, Cake, Girls Night, 915, and Hello. Now she does have a video on her channel that she goes over all the names and more in depth about why she chose these shades. For example, she talks about why this one's named George and it's named after her dad. She explained why she chose that color exactly for her dad. And you can see there's 3 shimmer shades, and then there's 7 matte shades on this palette, which I think honestly that's perfect amount for mattes and shimmer. Personally, I don't really use too many shimmers. I actually use more matte tones than anything else. The only like ones that are shimmer I do use like in the inner corner. It's going to be more of a dramatic kind of artistic look. We're not really going to go with any of the soft tones. We're going to be using this blue and create a look off of it. So let's get started. And then we're just going to be doing just blue here in the eyelid and blending it out a little bit in the
1 hour later.
In the crease. So we're blending it out in the crease, but mainly focusing right here in the eyelid. Okay guys, and I'm gonna start from the other eye. Now with these type of like really bright colors, it does consider a lot of blending, just because you do not want to see the line or make it look patchy or anything like that. Just blending it out just like that. Now for the bottom, I'm going to be putting a little bit of shade Kangaroo right here. I'm going to be adding shade Christina on the bottom also. Now I'm going to be adding a hello on, it's like a white shimmerish red in the inner corner here. Now I'm going to be quickly adding the eyelashes and putting eyeliner on the waterline here. Going to be adding some eyeliner just from the inner corner where the eyelash starts, just so to give it more of a complete look. And then I'm going to be putting mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys really liked this video. I enjoyed so much doing this video, especially working with this palette. I really fell in love with the colors. I really like the different shades, the texture of the eyeshadow itself. It's very good. This is definitely a palette. This is definitely a palette that I do recommend. Okay guys, thank you so much once again, and please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and leave your comments down below. Thank you guys. Okay guys, thank you once again.